Hey guys, this is Bus 5000 coming at you with another video, and it's about my multi-tool I got for Christmas from my mom. So let's see what it does.
You got about me, Tristan?
I've got pliers, and this is my cousin Gavin.
Yeah, you forgot me.
Okay, let's go. This is pliers. I have a knife.
I'll be right back. What other chicken?
Pretty sharp, right? Thin. I have
Can you show me what cheese that is?
a poker stick. It's this thing right here. It's like a razor blade. I have
Don't jump over here. Yes.
I have a flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver right here. It has a fish scaler.
Yeah.
Fish scaler and a ruler.
That's what Papa
If you can
calls
see the lines, it's a ruler. You see by the glare, it's a ruler. And a fish scaler. I have another flathead screwdriver. It's just a small one, you can see. Right here.
I like to have Pop like to funny. And now it's funny.
I have Phillips.
That's my dad put my money.
I got Phillips screwdriver, and I got a bottle cap opener.
I got a helmet on my head and I spent my baby.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe.
Ooh, subscribe to my channel too.
Yeah, subscribe to Gavin is Cool.
And Beast and Lens.
Subscribe to Gavin is Beast. Subscribe to Gavin Lens. Subscribe to
Ethan Plays Games.
And subscribe to Gavin is Cool. And subscribe, of course, to Boss 5000. If you jam that subscribe button and like button. Thanks.
But guys, my channel.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Is even